guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode I'm going to show you something really simple. A few people asked me about these LEDs from Synetic. They told me they just want me to show them how to get these ones tied into the vehicle. As you can see, I think this is the type 2 switchback 7443. I use this on my RAV4. So they asked me how to get this tied into the vehicle, and it's very simple. These resistors don't have any holes to put the zip tie on it, so a lot of people don't want to do this, but if you can see right here, we have double-sided tape. You can get this one into the back of your headlight housing. These ones don't get really hot. The easiest way is just to put double-sided tape and put it against the back of the headlight, which people don't want to do because it gets really hot in summertime. I did this a long time ago. I ran it through a summer, didn't have any problems, but I'm gonna show you the simple way to do it. You can see right in there, there is another Synetic, but this one don't have the big resistor. This one is the small one and it has a resistor included. Another way to do it is go to these LEDs. This one don't have the big cable, it's just the little bulb, and they say these ones, they sticking out too much. It's normal that it's gonna stick out a lot compared to the original one, because these ones are longer, but there is no issue. That's the way they work, and they work just fine, so there is not a problem in there. You go right here to the back, it's just the bulb. And this is switchback from Synetic as well. If you don't want to run the big cable ones, you can go to these ones. You don't need resistors for this one, so that's gonna be one way. Go to this one instead of the other ones. But if you decide to go with the other ones, I'm gonna show you how to get them secure in there. Okay, now probably some people is not gonna agree, probably some people is not gonna like this, but like I said, it has double-sided tape. You can stick the resistor right here to the back of the headlight. If you don't want to do that, just grab a zip tie. You have the cable right here for the latch. Secure one in there and keep your connector down so water is not going to go through it. Anyways, water is not going to go through it. Some people, that's why I say it's not going to like it, because you have the connector right here. But you can do it this way. For the passenger side, what you can do, same thing. You have right here a hole. You can grab your zip tie and put it right there. And this connector is gonna be facing down, so you're not gonna have problem of water getting into it. And that's gonna be the best way to do it on this side. Okay, now I have the turn signals going. And like I said, this is the type 2 Synetic 7443 switchback. The type 2 is gonna be only amber when you use the turn signals or the hazards, and when you have your lights on, it's gonna be white. So this one, it doesn't switch like the other ones that I have. Like I said, this one is the 7443 from Synetic as well. This one goes from white to amber at the same time, so I like this one a little bit better. Now I'm gonna let it run for like few minutes, let's say 5 minutes, to see how hot the resistor is gonna get. Okay, it's been running for over 3 minutes, and I still can touch the resistor. It doesn't really get hot. I know summertime is gonna be hotter, but to be honest, I think you can put double-sided tape and put it against the headlight. I don't see the issue on that, but if you don't want to do it, go this route. But if you have an LED like this one, this is a cheap LED, this one do need resistor, and you want to buy some resistors like this one. This is 7443 resistor from Auxito, and this one as well. These ones do get really hot, but these ones, they have the holes. You can drill into your frame, or you can just put a zip tie. These ones are better to get them tied and secure against right here the frame. You can use a hole like this one, or like I said, if you're looking for a permanent solution, you can drill a hole right here to secure those, because these ones you cannot put adhesive on the back of them. They get really hot. But like I said, if you want to go this route with the cheap LED and this type of resistor, these ones do get hot. In a minute I'm gonna show you the difference. This one is the type 2 and I'm gonna show you how these ones look compared to those. Okay, now I have the new LEDs from Synetic right here and the type 2 Synetic on this side. This is gonna be a better view. Now that one is brighter. Let me show you with the lights on. With the lights on, that one goes from white to amber. That one just stay amber, and that's why I like this one better. And that's on white. That one is super bright on white, which a lot of people don't like that. I like it, and this one is not that bright. It's better to be bright on amber like that one than that one. That one is kind of backwards, so that's why I prefer these ones, because it's not super bright. Because if you can see, that one is brighter than the headlight, so that's why a lot of people don't like that. But that one is just like the headlight, so it looks a lot better. Okay guys, so I'll leave it with that. Link is gonna be in the description for both if you wanna go this route or if you wanna go this route. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.